my gosh. Have fun, guys.
Oh.
You may be surprised with the variety of your favorite products. Inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise the children. Thank you.
Atención visitantes, para su propia seguridad durante el paseo, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies,
Wandering through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise your children. Thank you. Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me from its giant
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
There's a kid here! Sweet monster in disguise!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Trying to understand.
Come on, this way.
Situation is right under zero. You gotta get it charged and ready. Spread out and lock it down.
I have the girl's picture.
All clear over here.
Hey, working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up! I've got booth doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Terrifying day of my life.
Mike, Wazowski.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty! Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
We spread out and locked it down. Be careful any thorough observation. Rather, we quickly rendered the situation satisfactory. Neither confirmed nor denied the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation, we quickly rendered the situation satisfactory. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we...
Hey, young man in the third row. Hey, you left the lens cap on. Just kidding. Make sure you get my good side. Cheese. Sir, your name is now Clarence. Goodbye, Clarence.
Thanks no doubt. Have a good day. Watch your step.